Purchased it. My father purchased it probably about 15 years ago. I got my multi-C in the aircraft, and haven't really flown it too much after all that. We've used it for private use, family trips, up to Maine once, and a few summers in the Bahamas. First summer we had it, found out we don't want to use it around salt water too much, so for the past 10 plus years, it's been in fresh water, and just bouncing around the lakes in South Florida. Maintenance is done by a gentleman named Tomo. He was from the Australian government aircraft factory where these planes were made, and now he lives down in Miami, and he is the sole maintenance on the aircraft. So he's very knowledgeable on the airframe and all the ins and outs. The notable upgrades would be a Garmin 530, and we also put two G5s in it. That's about it for the upgrades. The motors have been overhauled recently, and I can't give you the specific hours, but they have plenty of hours left on them. So we don't really get up into the flight levels at all. It's a float plane. Stay low and slow. We cruise about 140 knots, and that's at 300 pounds an hour, so about 45 gallons an hour. We're selling it because we need something that can haul more. Family's growing, looking to get into a caravan or possibly a Kodiak. Not sure which way we're going to go yet. Yes, the extras. Father's friend had the Nomad itch, and he bought two to build one and hasn't built any. So we have two extra airframes, wings, all extra dashboard, extra gauges, steam gauges, everything that was placard from government aircraft factory, just basically factory new instruments, possibly extra engines, extra generator starter. Just a lot, really a lot.